Opening greetings. Hello, dear viewers of the Daily RV Life channel. We are thrilled to bring you another informative video, this time focusing on a crucial topic, RV and hail damage. As seasoned RV enthusiasts, we understand the importance of keeping your home on wheels safe and protected from any potential hazards. And when it comes to hail, the damage can be extensive and costly if not properly addressed. Hailstorms are a common occurrence in many parts of the world, and RV owners need to be prepared. Here are some key tips to safeguard your RV from hail damage. 1. Invest in protective measures. One effective way to defend against hail damage is by investing in protective measures for your RV. Consider purchasing a specialized RV cover or investing in a portable garage to shield your vehicle during hailstorms. 2. Check the weather forecast. Stay informed about the current and upcoming weather conditions in your area. Keep an eye on weather updates and be prepared to take necessary precautions if a hailstorm is predicted. 3. Seek shelter in time. If you are on the road and a hailstorm is approaching, seek shelter immediately. Look for covered parking lots, carports, or even find a nearby building with an overhang to shield your RV from hail. 4. Regular maintenance. Ensure your RV is well maintained to reduce the risk of hail damage. Properly seal any existing leaks, as they can worsen during a hailstorm and lead to further damage. 5. Insurance coverage. It's vital to have comprehensive RV insurance that includes coverage for hail damage. Review your policy and ensure you are adequately protected. Closing greetings. We hope you found these tips valuable and informative. Remember, prevention is key when it comes to protecting your RV from hail damage. Stay tuned for more useful content from the Daily RV Life channel. Safe travels and happy RVing.